Number one, you need to have your marketing in place. And I hope that people are taking notes here. What marketing are you doing for your business? You've got your phone calls, you've got your emails, but what other marketing can you do for your business? Social media, for example, is very, very good. Adverts, for example, is another way as well. But there's also, you've got your team members that can create systems to automate your marketing for your business. Because when you're looking at approaching organizations, you need to obviously have the right template, for example, to make them want to listen to what you've got to say. You need to have all of these things in conjunction with your business model, because you need to be able to get sales. So what locations are you going to operate in? Will you be national, or will you be in a certain location and cover that area first? And maybe you may have a 12-month plan that you're going to branch out, but create a radius to begin with. And if you are already in one location then, and your business is strong, then look at branching out into another area, another location. So what is your geographical location? Who are your target audience? What age group are they, for example? So who will you market to? You'll need to have scaling systems in place, and that means you having your software, you've got your staff members, you've got your team to support you with your scaling business, because you want to scale your business. You don't want to be stagnant with just you, for example. You want to build your business and have a team in your office. Yes, you've got staff members out on the field, but you need to have staff in your office or remotely. Remote workers are just as good as having someone in the office. If not, it's cheaper for you. You don't have to have an office. If you're doing a recruitment care agency, for example, you can have staff workers working remotely. So then you haven't got to pay out all of these things, and your business can scale to a higher level. They'll be happy because they're at home rather than coming into the office every day. You know, and also there's staff sicknesses are more when people mix. We all know the situation with the pandemic, what happened. There's still, people are still getting sick. So, you know, you want to look at what scalable systems you can have.